Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to open up firewall ports in Windows 10. So this tutorial will apply for Windows 7 and Windows 8 as well. It's just slightly different in terms of the naming of this actual application, but it's pretty much the same process as well. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. Into the start menu, search Windows Defender Firewall. And then with advanced security, we want to go underneath that. So go ahead and open that up. Windows 7 and Windows 8, it's really different to get to it, but it's pretty much the same interface here. So you might have to Google how to access it, but it's pretty identical, to be honest. Now on the left side, you want to select Inbound Rules, and then left click on New Rule. Select the port option, and then select Next. Now you can select either TCP or UDP option depending on what application you're trying to use here, but you should want to specify local port here to specify the specific port number. So you just would go ahead and enter it. This will be very subjective based on what you're looking for here. And if you are trying to connect to multiple local ports, you just would enter a space in between. So very straightforward process. And if you want to do a little dash in between two different numbers, so if there's a range of ports, you can just type it in like that. So you can see the example here. If you have multiple ports, just 80, 443, or if you're looking for a range, 5000 to 5010, just minus the comma, obviously, unless you're trying to separate two different ports. So I'm just going to enter an 80 here just for simplicity's sake. Doesn't have to be the exact port. It'll probably be different in your case, I imagine. Select Next. It's just for demonstration purposes. And once you have the port number, we're going to go ahead and allow the connection. This includes connections that are protected with IPsec as well as those that are not. Go ahead and select Next. You want to keep all these check marked in here. Select Next. Now you can name this whatever you want. I'm just going to call it New Rule Today Demo. And if you add a description if you want, go ahead and select Finish. And you can see our new rule has been created. So once you have set up that rule, you can see the port has been opened up. And if we select Outbound Rules, and you can see a little check mark means that it is good to go. And I would suggest also doing the same thing for the outbound rules. So go ahead and select Outbound Rules, select New Rule. We're going to go do the exact same thing we did with the Inbound Rule section. So again, I'm going to select Port, Next. I did 80 the first time. I'm going to type in 80 this time. I'm going to select Next. I'm going to go allow this connection, select Next. I'm going to keep all these rules checkmarked. I forget exactly what I called the first rule here, so I'm just going to call it the same thing just for simplicity's sake. And then I'm going to follow that up by clicking on Finish, and that's pretty much it, guys. So pretty straightforward process here. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.